Alright friends, in this lesson we will learn how to use find method in Python programming. The find method is used to locate the index of first occurrence of a character or substring in a string. For example, we can find the index of the letter O, for example. For doing this, I use find method and then I will just give what I search. What I search here, so what happens there? What I am searching, for example, O. So I just write O inside the find method. If I run it, you see 4 appears on the screen. This is the first occurrence of O. You see, I have another O in my string. But when we use find method, we will get the index of first occurrence. Here, you see it starts from index 0 and then I increase one by one and then you see here 0 and 1, 2, 3, 4. The index of first occurrence O is 4. So I find it and I print it on the screen. If this letter that I search doesn't exist in my string, what will happen? For example, K is not found in the string. So it returns -1 for this situation. I run it, you see -1 appears on the screen. So in our exercises, we will use find method. And if the character doesn't exist, it returns -1. We will use this information too. So this method is very useful when checking if a character or word exists in a string and where it appears. Super. See you in the next lesson.